Welcome to Montfort School, Dhenkanal. Today, we're thrilled to take you through an exciting new development that's set to elevate the Montfortian spirit. We're adding a brand new fleet of facilities to our sprawling campus, designed to foster a healthy body and mind. Say hello to our new basketball court, cricket pitch, football ground, and areas for kho-kho, volleyball, kabaddi, and more. To mark this special occasion, we were honored to have His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Niranjan Sual Singh, the President of Montfort School, Dhenkanal, with us. With his blessings and a ceremonial ribbon cutting, our new facilities were officially inaugurated. The event was attended by a distinguished gathering of esteemed guests, teachers, students, and ex-Montfortians, all of whom came together to celebrate this momentous occasion. At Montfort School, we believe that a healthy body and mind are essential for academic success. These new facilities will provide our students with the perfect platform to stay active, focused, and motivated. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like it. Let's keep the Montfortian spirit alive.